Hey, welcome to the All Sales Aside Asian Edition podcast. We adopt an instructional and motivational tone that speaks directly to you. The aim is to guide you through your sales journey with confidence and clarity. This isn't just about imparting knowledge. It's about motivating you to apply this knowledge and transform your sales approach. Each episode is a conversation where we share insights and tips that you can immediately put into action. We leverage relatable anecdotes to make complex sales concepts easy to understand. These stories come from real-life experiences, making them authentic and impactful. Our guidance is clear and direct, leaving no room for ambiguity. And we believe in personal growth and development. Through this podcast, we strive to inspire you to grow, develop, and become the best sales professionals you can be.